Anybody else's comment. I'm not dragging anybody into it. I am saying what I know. If you think everything is on Hopeson, too bad. From November 20th, so then the birthday now, which is 2019, when I spoke about it, I clearly said, say, Hopeson no it's easy me NPP platform be near was Facebook, because he knew say he's under the bigger umbrella. Into how then would I talk about the issue without mentioning the umbrella no Shasiano? And I made the conscious decision to discuss Hopeson separately from Asemoo. And now, no, for my own healing, I want to discuss the whole thing. So don't tell me I'm dragging anybody into it. The government, the president, Akufo Addo, and Asemoo Hopeson. So, and you, Farah, you already know the entire story. So don't do that, please. Don't. Allow me to do what I have to do for my own sanity. Okay, so hi everybody. What's going on with this phone? I hope so be out here. I won't be reading comments because I don't want to be pissed off. Asemoo. So today, if I'm Evelyn, aka Serwaa Broni, I'm here today to discuss what I've been dealing with for 2 years. Excuse me. Pardon me. Okay, so Obi Beka say na girl we cry when you Akufo Addo on here. When he any back say media me konim Ghana president on here. I came in contact with Akufo Addo before Okra president. And when he became a president of Canada one day, and I got to meet him again, and the presidential suite and I will stay at a hotel downtown Toronto. And in fact, I was going to do this in English, so it can go wherever it needs to go. But for the sake of many people, I'll just do it in Twi. So that was a place where a lot of people were meeting him. We took photos and whatnot. Photos were nice. They came on social media. There was no problem with it. And then this man decided to discuss the very reason or the very idea no person enemy. Let me say he was hitting on me, point blank. So to make matters whatever, I'm a big girl. It's not a big deal. But me no, I don't entertain men. And so when somebody approaches me, I tell you straight up, this is who I am. This is what I do. If you want to be a friend, you want to be a brother, you want to be an uncle, you want to be whatever, that's fine. If not, too bad. So since this was the second and third approach, he decided we can be friends. Long story short, I posted those photos. Once in a while, he would send a message or my phone number. I had his phone number. We'll chat. The man will call. Oh, maybe I'm away dreaming prior to this. I'm always at work, so I'll miss his calls. He'll leave voice messages. Hi Evelyn, I'm in whatever. Oh, Krubi, so I'm so and so at this place, checking up on you. Hello, madam. Hello, Evelyn. Stuff like he's either calling me Evelyn or madam. There was nothing big deal out of it. Me you'll be an Ghana. So if I go to Ghana, he would try to find a time to meet me. I would not have the time because me call Ghana, maybe I may call for 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, maximum 2 weeks. I have plans and reasons why I'm going. So I don't have time to entertain other appointments me call Ghana. So on several occasions, he needed to meet me. I didn't have the time. Okay, so what next? I think 2019 July, I was in Ghana. It was my birthday. While in Ghana, this government of Ghana, Akufo Addo, sent me a message that he's in France and he would like to meet me because when he sent me to Ghana. And I told him, say, me time na me one on time no be free in France, but now me call back to Canada. My son's birthday is July 18th, and I want to be here for my birthday, so I will not have the time to meet him. He will call, he kept calling. Most of the time, I'm in him girlfriend, and the girlfriend will be like, I don't know, Papa, we're afraid for too much. They are not afraid, like, again, no. So I was like, okay, you know what? I will make time to meet you. This will be the first, well, after Obeye president, this will be the first time I'm in Ghana. So I made changes to my flight. Me and I made my ticket to Mako Ghana. You know what they call Ghana. And then he found out on my birthday when he called to wish me that I'm in Ghana and he wants to meet me. No problem. So I made changes. I think I was supposed to leave Ghana on the 16th or whatever to get here 17th for my son's birthday on 18th. And I changed my ticket to, I think, 21st or something of a sort. He kept begging me, say, "Oh, ye because ewo Kumasi." I think say na soja ni penyi bi o se police ni penyi bi na ewu. And opese me koja no ye, and I'm say okay, no problem. Since a ye nya big deal, meet me na wako, no problem. They ni drew here no. Ofri in France, I think so. Ofri in France, they drew maybe a Thursday or Wednesday prior to the funeral being Saturday. And Obeko Kumasi Friday. Okay. So I decided that my name girlfriend and I will go with him and his crew on his private jet. They need drew here no. And or yes say or friend me Dan will be drew or free in France who say he be drew here no. And or friend me no see oh no problem. Some person my name girlfriend and no problem. Then the day of the event no, he mentioned said there's only one space on the flight. And I was like, okay. Long story short, I decided to attend the funeral with him on the Saturday of the event. Ye no wo Kumasi em se kwada so ho baby sa na o stay wo otumfo a palace e wo menhia ehonye menhia em so otumfo guest house bi wo ni refi sa na forever no, but anyway so Kumasi o baby and ehona no stay. So I went there because no ye no, after a year no he insisted say me stay over the night. Na sada na nyumre no so na okwa ko hu otumfo. Na ono ene ne brother ewo a meeting with otumfo nti no, he would love for me to go with him to meet the otumfo. Me menye go digger, menye girls here for almost say girls here dressing queens and one queen for ibi. So I was not enka obi anka president do say ko che otumfo enka a big deal. But I told him, said, I can't stay over the night because my girlfriend, me free Cape Coast, so I have to leave Kumasi that night, even if I have to walk. I'm not staying. And all that the private jets, Emma me, neba doku ya wawari na anui. Says I friend Edwin and Odidokua. And the brother, and chief of staff, Madam Freeman, and I'm so beautiful for a I think we were about 5 or 6. And a year no, a point, you're free. Kumasi sa buy in the private jet never Accra. Now this is where the problem begins to start. Krasi ni ba, uhiye ni ba. I'm in for private jet da. I'm from private jet. Obviously, I take photos even if I'm at the zoo. So why won't I take a photo at the private jet? What's the big deal? Yeah, ko Accra, eko Kumasi no. Na president no come. Na otse me fan say opposite on my right hand me na meet Lady Freeman opposite direct and Akufo-Addo no tip Freeman in chain say and one Mr. Akoto say ne brother I can't remember the name Mr. Akoto no say ne brother eso ti nanim so me baby I'm face in the mirror on my so if I take photos of myself his face reflects in it because he was sitting opposite to me. What do I know? Now me post 2 photos. I posted my photos Sunday morning and probably 8 or Ghana. Na ye ni Saturday. And I dear cry mommy post to me photo kesi ni say ye na se no. Omo ye no o se mo ko ye Ghana ye de mo kotena bebe ni ye serve mo aduane. Enti bebe a ye kotena ye omo serve mo aduane no. Na nipa oti ben me. Ana ohun me. E wo ho ye Kenya Japan. Na ochi a me te say na wa bakrom ha ma me ne madam for be interview no da. Na ne cousin so ye menua bi okroma eku ntiche so onim me na oni mi take pictures no say kwa post to na Canada for who say you was share me ade so that Sunday when I woke up e wa Accra no I decided say I will post those photos many can the only the mete private jets and I posted them. Me post 2 photos now around 8:30 in the morning Wakra time. Bed 10 o'clock. Now my girlfriend I'm near call baby Wakra ko to banku. Nana madam fu bisune ono so ne madam fu bisune na girlfriend be hia wo. Nti ye delay nipa na wo hia me yakoto aduane wa delay. Your friend or see me waha ne car wanya problem with the car this and that. A ho baby ena ekufa do frame or me Ghana number so. Me fire no see what is it that you have done? Let me see like what? And also you posted something on Facebook. And I'm sure I posted photos of me private jet and some photos of Ken. And also you can post photos of you and Ken. Ken is not the president, but you can post photos that reflects me. And why am I not in chair or carny? And or Jimmy phone. And I or a Kufado Naka say, if you maybe say, do you want me to delete them? And I'll see if you wouldn't mind, you can delete them. Let me say no problem. See me why am I not as a me saw me Ghana phone so na me Facebook so me Canada number so or J me phone no me Canada number. And na or delete and yes or hide no private to me or delete post no completely. And na me am log myself out of Facebook. And me no MPP for be back can say yes national security for blocking me so mo delete my account and say how at the national security MPP a year or more there Facebook your account before anybody makes political affiliation with this or whatever. And I want you to know say me busu ani bia no NDC ni me busu ani bia MPP ni from 92 even after Asemoo to me kra no December ya me maame bitu nefu bia se me mani vote MPP so ko vote MPP because ni nua mo ye mpanyimfo MPP ni recently MPP for mpanyimfo mu wi na ba ko ye me akasa me wofa me nya NDC ni me kra me ni vote Ghana me vote Ghana da last year was going to be the first time Ananka me vote to Ghana. And I hope ya and they create ideas a document amame because they may kuta Ghana document there. So before I will be better can say party be na hwan. And the reason why nswa Asemoo did 2 years na afi na make ho asem na nipa na me ne nam asem ne to me ne no Ghana. And said the buyer obey safe until no na was so free Ghana and sana maka ho asem. Sa nipa no o free Ghana 1 year cry. And even before Mobaba to Abana and I had wanted to say something about it, but Metina Sidin am Sidebi. If I maybe be and call for Jane Bayer almost say, ye bet to a background na Abia party B decide to send me Mecca BB and I say whatever, and I didn't want people to associate Maseme Hiame with a party. Because this is what I am going through. This is my real life. Has nothing to do with any party member being afraid me, whatever. Assembly C beginning, you know. Yes, opposition parties wanted to take the story because maybe Martin Semono, and I said no to everybody because that was not my focus. My focus is me and my healing and discussing what happened to me. Okay, so that day, me delete we you know me log in myself out of Facebook. And I'm a president of Ghana. I did me contact, which is my Ghana number. No. And my man paying phobia na Kennedy eka na Kennedy ankasa de na me ne contact that was my Canada number. So na no nim me Ghana number because me am call Ghana no. Me friend no that na no nim me Ghana number. Nti me one of friend Sunday no. And I say I feel no so free Kumasi back cry after a year no. No pursue who me. Now we have friend. Now we have friend. Na national security na when I'm say what is this? Me na ma post to my on Facebook. And I must say, make a private jet. Minimum possess ordinary citizens cannot be sitting in a private jet. Intimidation, baby, na way frame. The fear was the Kufa to say, I dear chia. Everybody knew small said, dear opposition party, but picking it up, and I was like, what is the big deal? And you won't me what out for no claim. So what is the big deal? Say, I dear me no trim plebia, Bianca Baba Majim said. Mami fa photos in see, but me I just see you as a friend. Once we introduce me to Uncle for say, "Wa down for your friend." Auntie, what is it? Okay, no problem. And omo free we free na we can say, obi e kan de obeka. Auntie me can and cousin me can say, na yere ye me nua okuruma. And my girlfriend you call because she was a Kempinski was a day pool ho near Quatinase just to discuss in case as Asemoo be PO news much na Diana Ombeka. Ken so na kan was you no dey omo dey damage control nti dey beba ne se ken na minim no dada menim no photos and videos dada wo Canada nti ene ono na wo kwa ayie ni bi ene ode metina private jet end of the story asem bia ma newspaper bia meka hwe bibia nsi ne Monday mene maame eba wo Akufo-Addo office on your invitation 12 o'clock in the afternoon the same asem na ne beka ho asem hwe nsi Tuesday, me free Ghana, which I think was the 21st of July, 2019. I said, be any hobby. Me be drew here, or frame me to say, well, drew, I landed then fine. No problem. You know, once in a while, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. And I'll be back home September 2019. There was a program, MPP4 program. I was one of the ushers. I was there. Program nasi na only make a side to say, yeah, then. Then you told me, say, the next day, Farah, stop this, okay, please. I am not a fool. Open it with the IGP, no. IGP, na den obey afa home. Do you even know if the case docket is still there? Allow me to say what I have to say. Do you even know if the case docket is still there for someone to reopen it? And me, I'm here, meet me Akufo-Addo. And can the president even be sued? And this is what I am doing for my healing. Allow it. If you want to watch it, fine. If you don't want to watch it, don't. But don't do what you're doing. Anyway, so what happened is September, Obeba program Ukrumha. We had a small, I say program. I said, no, let me kasai. And this man made me know. Said the next day, never Sunday. Obekwa sorry be. Minima sorry pa no inviting no Canada. Then after sorry no obesa ba the hotel and then obekwa barbecue be. And you remember say we made minim. And I wasn't interested in going to that barbecue. Na nasa sorry ni bi. So I made him know say so person who me never be who no in between na sorry no and then the barbecue no obekwa. So around 2:30 in the afternoon. I think it was September 29th or something of a sort. Na Sunday. Then I drove to downtown hotel and I went to see him. Me call no not just say Serwaa Broni nti went me anko na sorry no. And say na barbecue no obekwa onko me de minim na emfa me ho. Me call no wo ho e na omo me de omo ni security and the national wife no Kofi ne bodyguard e de me e call ne baby and suite wo. So in fact Africa na no obedi let me say branch because na area na na bia ni si ho no o share the morning rope no team anim na me so to the other side. Enti na ye di nkomo. E ho na bibia na me catch na me discuss visa bo ne ade say obi ko Ghana how a visa bo edin. E no obusa me say ade na no e fa me ho. Because he assumes say me could a Ghana passport. Let me say no. I have been a Canadian since 1998. Enti ne boy me den say me bagana often na de bia obetua 100 and DN for visa. Nti ye discuss visa ho asem. From there na me catch ne so me lose masa asibi. Na Ghana the way ahemfo no etonton chese na ye di Ghana nkomo the way omotonton we no so ade na man ka ankyere no na me see o me no me ye nipa bia me feel say metimi aye bibia on my own ti me boda obi so me ye hwe ma me enti man enka obi anka president bia wadan for de enka ahemfo ebu na ye je wasase a tanka be ka kyere no ma me Akufo-Addo betimi aka kyere obi ana so decide so be reply this messenger and I small obi so me reply me mesre na de krada me fa me ha obi ametu nanim da me meka nche nse betua me baby school fees ana beto dan ma mentinam ana be me say da ever enti you have a sad discussion no me ka nche ne so me dan no kra na ma ye bubu dan no kra e ma free mensa no see oh anyway den ye di ho nkomo enti e ho na the discussion about flight no e pictures no sa buy e no ka nche me say national security boys any national security men or boys, whatever. Ni team no cry man warn and say, "On stay away from me." So be a bit me post 2 pictures on Facebook. Obi a bit me post 2 photos on Facebook. Or no president, no reflections. Womb, dear, or that to stay friendship with me. One day, make me be post to be about a minim fan a secret. Nti okay na me say no say auntie no tin na say kura no on contact me as often as he used to. Na me say no problem. Me no me who as a friend, as an older uncle, we are older than my parents. Me contact me. It's nice and an honor to have a friend with a big man. But me, Obia or Madam Fubia or Ghana, or you well to do, Musika, Obia no bit Macas my bunny in the office one day said, the Bejika free no, and I'm a best be free no, and I'm a Chester, and I'm a best school fees, and I said, and Batia Buchi, me cram into your school fees. Me nkoka se me ma me bi obi me to adaka ma me naten me nje hwehwe obi aho me nafofo kro mo ye titiriu a me mbo obi adi wa but ebi mu nim se me ne omo photos kra me na me free krom ha me boka to ade ko che wo enye me nkoje hwehwe obi aho da me nkopa obi a che ofo hwe da enti the whole thing no it chese ye di nkomo sa and I make a say any problem. See, I say won't stay away from me. That is fine. But I want to know why I'm not me interested in my phone. And also, the time I'm show interest. Now I'm free Ghana. Because the whole thing happened on a Sunday. And I left Ghana on a Tuesday. And by the time I'm applying so I'm pay my phone, I'm free Ghana. And I'm still okay. I'm coming free when I'm buying me fee. That Sunday afternoon. Me free one. And you know, this man started sending me messages and they are disturbing to me. Maybe somebody, when I tell you it will not go out, it will never go out. Where I may discuss it because when him some catch and say one day I will be discussing how he put my life in danger and the danger of another person. But and somebody or no, and in the national security for him say minim, I almost suspect say beba bontin one day and Nama or more worried no. I will never discuss it and I never will. Because here, maybe I'm just talking about the experience he put me through leading to my PTSD. Okay, auntie me free her, now me buy. Or send messages be like it didn't make sense. Let me say, hey. I feel the papa be Hana Junana. Auntie, I actually Monday, no, I think Monday na no move free chrome ha. And no frame me free airport. Or kasa be brain am cut a call. Me na me after me who say it seems like so threatening me so here than you, which I didn't understand why. Because also national security interested in my phone. Who can I catch you say that doesn't make any sense because I make crime information be about you. Will it be only on my phone? This is 2000 and I mean we're in the 21st century. So be information will one person will keep the person will load it somewhere else. It won't only be on phone. Into my phone on Jerry. And Mogana president make his statement say, or no, one breath on the position of womb, and anybody who will do anything to bring down a political career there, it will never happen to your baby obey. So I felt threatened. I felt threatened. I went on my phone and be a YouTube account and I'm a privatizing account, and I started discussing and minim dada. In fact, I was crying while I was doing that video. And I put two messages that on one and this and the Abremina, and I put two together, and I made two YouTube page, and I made the YouTube account and send it on one President Kufuor, and the password to get to the YouTube. This was October 1st, 2019. Me this information in man, and I'm so an arrogant person. Jamaso drew Ghana no who you so who were him. And why not chance you overreacting, not framing, not Cassano, you did not threaten. I'm saying, hey, me foul call beam. That is what I decided. And Papa will frame me between October 2nd to October 13th, almost every day. Man picking a call back, rather. October 14th, now yeah, Thanksgiving dinner, I will make Papa fee. My stepmother and niece. Or Ghana, Nana Addo visit to Krumha. Into me phone bomb private number. A good father knows on a number. No. Sometimes of Rewa, a dinner or they are saving a baby, sometimes to private. Into a bomber private, a bomber and dino. And I make my stepmother niece, no. A who's a Kufado. And I'll pick a call, no, the two speak. I know, hey, me fire, or pick a call next to the speaker, and I'm in lady next to your dining, papa dining table. Asemoo kind of said, Evelyn, I've been calling you for 2 weeks. You're not picking my calls. And why me stepmother niece no cast, hey sister, say union package to president Krana, as well free. And I'm a far phone free speaker and I'm the tool. Me Bluetooth so. and catch them say, now that day, no, so I make us September now or a hona or can say national security was interested in my phone. Many discussing ya could see say or na a dina masasi a melusuni adiade, and or can say was a meeting per time bagan about come once and monsieur. Melusu we na me aso krasi say no. Apart from working, Mesawa University Amico School. Intiminia daje for Sanyama way no ntino. Melusu no. Ghana there or henene me toma we so toma we mini time and beko court ntino no. It is that day now October 14th 2019 of Freya no say Evelyn, I have decided to assist you with your school. Hey, my Becca just assist me with my school. Abroche school fees na nkasa ya Nti oka no enam se menye greedy person na me hwehwehwe free ni ho na me am fees mechia de denti no de me kan ne se oh me kra menya emergency bia no so ya asase foforo ho asem I was me back Ghana in about a week time nti wo de me back Ghana now person oboa me with me school fees a ne aka ho asem sa asem am making se sister G gifty they say kra me na fine but say gift be kan no kra. And madam for back one person me boni din wa ha. That day on October 14th no. Not from Thanksgiving dinner we papa fie no. Na me na for no so wo dinner e wo ya dan for back fie. Enti ho na me fa me my boys ne back. Na distance here just about 7 minutes drive. And I me drive me ba boy no. And no call madam for bia me person me boni din e fie. E ho na sister G aye gifty. Our own G power radio station. And so ba ho. If you about wanna make ye di command ko first kasem bae ma money pakrodi na me ka kire omo say hey papa bi kura me nim no Ghana afre me say obe help me with me school fees na maka kire say me ba Ghana nti ho na gift card wo de wagimi o wo de ka wagimi a bibia utimi for yourself nti no wonim ha okra ye seek help free obi ho e no ne madam fo na ye woni fie nyina ade o manu gu me so na so obi wo scan no so obeboa wo school fees ya enya no asa do account number e man no this scan atum. And I'm a catcher almost say, I am not like that. Me as can put me shed in here, but you me fees dada. Say, Nipa no the mammy, I made you medi. It is a me fees, I'm a call Ghana, dear. Me and me projects, I may or Ghana. It is a me drew on any panel discount mammy, nay a dollar, so you see this. So, some of the idea of the bear or honor. Now, me name enough for the cast, I almost rest me. I said, medium him send you a disc through behold. Name Charles. It is between that day, no, which is October 14th, no, to October 21st, the man will call, I'll pick up the call. Na fe de why keen on da ben medru Ghana da ben enti judging from enkoma no ni medi on October 1st no any senior why aggressive as to da ben me ba Ghana no menye jimi fo no ma sha say say something bad is happening or planning bibi enti me wadanfo bi a na oye investigator e wo Ghana onye enye na dwuma oye biem no e na me di asem ni nyina ato nanim na me ka de me ka nyina akere and I'll catch him and said, "You're very careful." Na me say mate. And I can't the same story chere maame. No so can't the same thing because no na the brother penny a national security person me money din wa ha say kroni Ghana bi. Enti ono so on the brother didi nkomo no so be maame won say me careful na me say mate. Enti I think Monday the 21st of October 2019 na me doctor's appointment na me nya phone call free Kufu Addo ho. A friend or say Evelyn, what time are you landing? And I'm saying, yeah, and then I'm landing. And then mum na me free her. Me landing 22nd, which is the next day. And I so sir. Or cast me landing 21st. And yes, I me landing 22nd. They are me metro no because 22nd no no so free Ghana ako Russia. Nti me time I me drew Ghana and Ghana ofa KLM or be drew and you 8:30 ho baby no no so say we choose whatever. And I'm sure no problem. Say you na me baga me try ticket na me ba me Ghana. Enti me hu afan me hu anya big deal. And I make a call. And one was afraid him. Afraid him no Sam say. Some may transit to Amsterdam. Nam say ya. Prior to that, na call no di can make it no. Wakacham says, I remember to no dia when him say minim Hobson. And he obey make arrangements. I'm a Hobson baby Shamo airport. Now the entiso him say minim Hobson. They say, day no crana or mobaha, I think July 1st was the end of June no. Na Hobson, Abercrombie ha na baby or two hotel. Me and I'm driving around. Me na no here ride and I'm the nafa ha ofa and I'm the enti no me mpo na me drive on the Kufu Addo office and the hotel I no stay with room enti onim se me nim Hobson nti obema Hobson bihia me na am si okay mema na hia na school fees na mpesa me bo anam disika na ma no de am anam say no problem. Enti was afraid bi mbusa me say mayor transit wo here na make sense. Me say me ba Ghana, me do 22nd, me do any May 30. Baby a mayor transit, ne how long I would stay in transit no. How does that I mean what does that do? Obi be shia me Ghana, time me do Ghana ne here. So and also click imagine. And I'm a friend madam for ex detective ni bi. Me catch her no. And no catch him say me careful. So she obema hopes in the car be sure. Men fro car no. So mka se ko baby a menko. And I'm a car the same way. No so can also man the same advice. Every menko. Enti me dem my arrangement. My brother Eric at the car ba be shia airport. Me drew plane na no. Say once say I will see Ghana 90 first na yes any steps. Say the obe shia na platform no wa on move straight. Door na no pepe na hopes engine na ho na oje me hand luggage kuta me. Ena yes sane ko na lady bi di echi no introduce me che lady ne say lady ne KLM for empanyimfo baako. Ena am sure me ho no me ne nya na ti business class o but me say me nim no so nim me. Na hopes ne ye begina one me begina ase ho na woman no ye twen ye luggages. Enti ye ho no na me no me tu kwan a no matter baby ameko bia because of me menti me disconnect me phone. Baby ameko bia me Canada number no de ye adwuma. Nti airport wona na me sha se test ma me no no okuma se no aba be twen me airport wa Accra ne me brother Eric a o mo ba be fa me. Ena me fa me phone na me chat ma me say these people are serious like hopes ya be shia me ampa. Ena o sinti me ye den ni nyina na ye twen bag me ni hopes ne ma me bi no o se o ye KLM phone panyimfo. Any other people ye twen bags but na me chat no. And I'm seeing him dear mayor. Into your horn, I catch your hopes and say, oh, say a car, I'm only be family. Me here because me cry me bag and I'm cars. And I cry me way, me uncle or cars. Me brother cry so baby shame dada. And I say there be you. Your book hotel cry mom. The one I'm yem shame and say, na me cry the minim see the school fees be obese or mama gift through you. Na yeah then I was a book hotel and me ni baby to cry. Me baby to. And now I have to start using my head. And I'm testing madam for now me so ex detective no so sha se ma me warning. If you want to catch your hopes and say ma me dina bonten twen me. Enti aden because the person me frame ma me wo phone so. Enti aden na hopes no nkofa ma me ma inside. And no so okay. Enti wonante kwa bonten ti time ono call na chi akọ arrive akọ rehwe ma me de na ba na me ma frame ma me wo phone so. And I'm catching almost after the hotel ni say. And was inti me ono de onko e den na wose me ye ntimi hu de me na me suo me sem ka se me kofie o East Legon honom na me family house me uncle enkrofo makro mo na me uncle ti bebro 10 se cars esi airport he twen me dadade a definitely se man na ka num kra me nim car kra me nim car number the car may follow me, the car may decide to follow me to a fee amekwako room and then I may put nkofo in danger say am pass the me dwi wo mutiri mu no sana omo plan so mbe bibi dia enti the best thing is say was say me ne omo mom na eko say man ko East Legon na me decide say me come sister so fie wa denta wa wo a wa akraketwa say bibi si wo fie ho a me nim de besi enti the best thing is say e was say me ne omo ko ba bi omo pese omo de me ko na ye hwe de besi at least hotels de cameras wo ho ena me convince ma me enti ono any hopes in nanti ba inside na say me na ka say we de da na ye hu say e be di omo chi. But no madam for ex detective Nadia, he kept insisting say Evelyn Menko, and I make a chain say, Sameti omoke ma menkomo na mesha menkomo die. And a baby omo de make us so thank God you see a hotel until hotel the idea pa na bit me si wo. And was you know they were advising me and no bit me aka. Me say no problem. Enti hope say any ma me buy inside na nche na me luggages buy. And ye pie ba bonten. Ye pie ba bonten I say me brother de ne carriage na ho. Ena nipa no so obefa me no oma rented car quote and quote rented car a smaller car it's me for me and I'm sure me pe car ketwa me used to driving bigger car me brother so na de big car be si hanum sa car we there you are sorry for deleting the Facebook pictures. It's okay. You know say I have the pictures back because I had to just recall it from my gallery. I have the pictures, but me find here. And yet I don't want to even do anything with those pictures. And yet what the trauma they've put me through is why I'm here. And see, na my brother say, menenko fie na mse debi. And I say, and man, go see me, yes, sister, Hona, Miss you, there be so and so person. I rent a car, mammy, nti on the woman used to start into a cane. And she was a young boy now, so then an aquamia on an eye driver. Karma will one day catch you. For now, let me just leave you like that. And see, why it's not care anymore? Me, I'm just a very nice person. See, what's not care, I'm sure to say, oh, bony deal, so the kwame, and aquame, I'm sure. And then, me papa penny, you know, me papa penny, the aquame. Emma, it was our boy and they say, Kayo Modiama media. Me, I walk, you were bushing for our your cast, now, me mean you suka catchwa. Intimate na car kitu na me driver na ite se me telephone. Enti say the rented car man no fa ma me na car kitu we ya. He shouldn't be bothered. Me nka hwe nkyere hopes ne the president. Ono the on jiska na omatua no. But me ma ne me fa me. Me am sorry me find me way to go in and out. And a guy no car ni mu no. Na fe ne ye Golden Tulip Hotel ho na omabuku no. No see no problem. See ye me ma me and a driver and a boy in the car near Golden Tulip. This was October 22nd. It was a Tuesday, 2019. You drew hotel honor and a minimum a reception ho kakra. Na che say hope say na ya man is scam na booking. Ama me intimate train am na ba be check-in. Nti oba no, o say di be 5 minutes, you pack e be 5 minutes and no e be drew ho. O drew ho no. And o je me passport. And or the call counter ho. Said will be check you in information no a photocopy and lady no work counter on a frame and I'm sign. I was tired and sure said I never thought of it said I mean minimum some information or dear checking and one no ya give me passport ya photocopy my sign it simple and easy. Assembly and CB enti hope say no LED me to me hotel room on one or trim me bags and I'm name me dinechi you drew on my brown envelope. The envelope had 20,000 Ghana cedis. And I say, I could find from my man. I'm assuming that I say, I'm testing papa. No, I was that time on Russia. Now I'm testing and say, thank you for the money. Hope say, mommy, 20,000 Ghana cedis, blah blah blah. No. It was a Tuesday, and you know, and I'm catching hopes and say, minute driver and I said, I was driving and I say, on also drive him around, but excuse me, maybe a very terrible driver. Now, will be a terrible driver, be also on trust another driver. Into the best thing they say, guy and they can't keep the mommy. Na mia hefampo na meko. Now I was only there for him say 5 or 6 days pe. Me need be particular be a me yentino just to move about to Accra. They me drive myself. And also on the driver no be kasa into your court or form. Na echina ebeshi o said afofo ebeshi fine. Into your call form one driver no and respond to other. Na boy no so agye me number mama so agye number while I driver call Golden Tulip. And I'm a friend no so downstairs. Na me sinti akosi sen. And also a friend is saying, hope say, and then a cassage. I mean, it was all planned at your way, but obeshe. And I'm catching a guy and he said, me accommodate me no swear. I mean, I was nice with him to so be a minimum that. And also, and also, the common no, but then I pay you dinner, you. The only baby be you bet me a DB. Make us say a boy, maybe say 10:30. And a guy is okay, and a ready and near bathroom to our home near bathroom. No driver, ye cocoa baby, a cook to kebab ne drinks. Near any nationals in the see a honor and now come come. And my make catch a guy and say, oh, if maybe me pay speed, like the way I'm a driver, then the guy and the driver better than me. Me and Cassia go be a coy junior daddy. If the any guy need didn't come out, it will be any mono. And now make catch a guy and say, me person me I'm a driver me. Me person me hano. So no the chia kase ya rent you for 1 week or say how many days for somebody. Take the money, sleep. Jaka and mommy. I dare chia me come baby ameko, me ba baby ameba. Nobody would know say nya una will drive me. And you just get your pay. And also you are sorry in a company policy. Almost say obi faka na nkofo di dwane ne ade na me I can even leave my passport with you. Car way say central say then if like me the fruit play and I say be dwane akọ no you onim say me faka na nko baby but a company name branch on no be drive me. It immediate time dia na me ka so me penny pie ha no. It maybe kwana person me call baby 8 in the morning. I buy me den say me fro say bra through fie na me fa me anopa 8. Anyway, I just said the talk I'm making in an enkusi because now it was all planned. ena enwume no be see ye back nti obeba be see ye no ena me ne discuss say ade chi a me pese me Kumasi na me drive from me far road from Accra to Kumasi me fly and the guy was pressuring me so be drive me oh bet me drive omo company no kra be man no bigger car after all of a sudden be man no 4x4 na aye safer for us nti that Wednesday no I was say me Kumasi no na me frɛ me ma me wo phone so na me ne kasa se o me mabaga na me so me tukwa me tank me ma me ne papa nyina omu nim se me tukwa me nkra me frɛ na me gina ho dada mabaga na me pesa me di ne me bi bre no ani ni nuru ne me bi bre no Kumasi and o si okay nti me flight time be na me si o obi si o drive me and am me si eh enya sa wo fa VIP mpo obi drive o how until na just me convince me over the phone now me has already I have that fear 5 hours drive no it doesn't make sense how much na plane ticket be cost from Kumasi to Accra to Ayintia also will be driving me and I'm catching a guy and say me nyanko Kumasi no na me say sa dia niam na me bre me fama car enti guy no ene me ne ma me nyina drive ba golden tulip and ye be fa luggage full suitcase and I'm a name my woman come and mammy. No, sir, me call VIP station. Near Coach as 25 CDs or 40 DBs CDs. And on more deck name and call, and I just a min young Kukumasen. Nti, young Kukumasen, I made the idea by say, and near Wednesday night was a ye Kukumasen, say young called there. Nayan and them Kruma, my dear son, boy, no, Yanin Chesse, Yanin baby on one episode, did you near any Nako Didi, near Koto, Yaman, near the Nefa. Enti, I think so at some point na say na down for no so ya down for to the point I make cram catch and say me one for bi omo de ombaga no mon drive enti me pese menya ne company na or the drive on up to now me nim company ni dia or rental whatever menya company ni dia na me dia ma me sa me nan fofo no na enche na madam bi su kura be free Australia baga na onika enti oba no rent because almost service I mean or very nice near the ade and a boy and catch me say the best thing say me for no one personal number na me won emma nipa no no oba no contact na enti that moment na wan fa ne company din ama me nim travel agent oni omo ye adwuma and I'm say okay fine enti Wednesday ne de ne na nanti ama ade asa ama ya beda and ne discuss is Thursday October 24th the day that this thing happened on me fire no pa 8 o'clock na ye ko Togo nti ono ye discuss say ye be cross border na esu o de ne car no esi omo obi bi de laze passeo se de to the car no e be remu se den na e di akosi like ye the car na be because ye ko akona nam de a yentimi nja car wo Ghana side and sana ye ko rent car so Togo nti ye de be ko no si okay nti anopa na bo 8 pepepe na boy na nkasa frɛ me and o say madam memra na nam si o na me pese me frɛ no because e too early but ono afrɛ dia ye ready nti time obebe bia yete ho 8:30 yete ho 9 yete ho 9:30 eh about be 10:15 na me friend na me say eh na no su ne passport ewo ono te Accra closer to Osuho baby na ne passport so wa Accra nti okọ ho fa ne passport no and na osa call na adwuma mu ko renew paper B for ne car no na a whole lot of bullshit nti go be fire before 11 yes okay enti golden tulip no apart from 20,000 cedis na one de ma me no hopes and hopeless Addo full made from last 2 years na me see the hopeless Addo full me hu se nkofo apiki hopeless na Addo full na dem mo amfa Addo ye na na mo da so friend fine and sa 20,000 Ghana cedis na hopes say one de ma me no from Akufo Addo no and me also na mikuta dollars nti yi on golden tulip mo yi wo honom exchange foreign exchange and I'm sesa ho and I'm sad me bank card mo bank machine so esi honom ekoyi I think that time minim say 8,000 and 9,000 Ghana cedis free on machine wo ho and I di nyina ete ho na ye twen guy no na me di roofing sheet ho nkomo ewo Spinters bibi say DBS or say ABS whatever enti na me nim say me kotua roofing sheet ka nti boy no e ba na em say about 11 or say 11 BB wakofa ne passport nyina according to him bibi are fine and ye drive to DBS or say he ho no ti ye dru ho na price a me nyanko Ghana me ni o ma communicative for dine on bebosso no and me could drew her in person the omokano na entalina ne bona be yede omasum na just say cost 600 like over 60,000 Ghana cedis 601 million and I'm a friend another company my stepfather e wo fa se adwuma ho a o maye adwuma mameda me friend o na che say o mo no ma bika kwa measurement was a particular dan no dada enti na o so based on measurements corona na DBS for Jimmy scan e boarding no any omo de na che so omo de na cheaper and am decide say me nya use DBS for no enti me dem sika be come baby and ye ne boy no enti yet na sometimes your instinct talks to you enti yet na can before I be kwakwa na can na hope say friend me na me DBS for ni dili na hope say friend am say then enti at some point na me find the call na me say me wo sprinters I don't know friends I know so person obe hu me say me buy nyina hu me na me say oh me am by Tuesday next Thursday and rap na twam nti say I mean what's the big deal na me call baby nti say me buy but baby kro na me kono kra as the time call do nti e bia na me nya nko nti o ma me ntina cab na me ne driver no ne me nam no which Nana Kofi na quote and quote ono de ne buy no ye discuss na me hu say me nya nko a na ma hwe say me hu na ne e betina cab ti ye ba betina cab no ye driver na car no na ye can say ye had time na afi na 12 crab boy be kwa do Togo border and we were not going to spend the night ye be sa back ade be sa na guy no so ka say come cry no na esu ke ene ye be pe ba bi edidi anase ye be yeden na me nko Togo da enti na I was baby makwa ko dra na ye so ga kope omo resort bi or sometimes me kotina ho have drinks myself back to Accra so I was interested in going to Togo and na me frɛ who hopes and I'm catch us so ndi nyina hopes no ni be ya meko me nkra no be ya meko me catch say be ya meko no e bia me nyanko e na osu o saa ono kra wo kwakoye program bi wo school bi enti enwumre 9 na waba be hume enti ya me ne hopes kasa wi etiti ka anim no na ya didi nkoma na esu enya hwe ye boy ne so betim de yakọ enwumre 10 kra na ye be ba like ade asakro betim drive o de and besides I cover the passport for ninko senior UK and me busa onu hopes in the set na ono te hin and also te suspenders ho baby o say baby sir but see I we free na am UK no problem and ye de to aso enti e ho na boy na sha see make phone calls boss me nkofo na o maba na nka omuko kumase enra na omu anya nko no omu ko Togo ne na nka mpese me je bigger car no 4x4 no so de ben ono an odi ne nkomo oni minim de ono ne kasa o wie no say oh me boss se car kese no kra obi age enti but I mean Togo he ya de obetim de yakwa aba no problem enti ye nam ye ko Togo ya tra border no baby o mujiji toll you know how they say tema baby o mujiji sa ucha toll and what cross go the other side ya tra ho ya tra he kodru baby de dawenya ye drew one ana pick up Mitsubishi white is your right hand side ye drew one ana siren a call off from that car and it was strange ye ko nyina so na boy ne se me drive and I me mom na me se me drive and na boy ne se da bi me mo on drive na ye tra so ga kopɛ because ono se kom de no and na me maka cha se so ga kopɛ ono result bi wo ba a omo se boy yi de se Castro ko wuye no me ta akɔ omo aduane ye nice enti on twa ekodu ho no ma na me ni nyina ne ma me yato aduane adi ne ato aso enti saa de a me mpasa me drive no ma me drive me ntwa ne ekodu result ho ne edidi wi ana ono edidi ame abre na me ma drive ato aso ne edi koto go border na me si okay ye nu so ga kopɛ ho mpo ye drew baby de dawenya say hokra na one of the asofu bi Ghana ni school bi wo ho baby ye tra school ni kakra white Mitsubishi si ho na siren call off ho na mbusa driver ni say ada police for na epe ono na attention na because car is wa siren say call off there it doesn't make sense no so onye sure and ye call your name any 1 minute or 2 not the same car now air show sirens before you see Apaki on the right hand. It was a connection. They were making him know say who's here. that car had gone off. Abedi and chain. Car me bang. Stop, pull over. Pull over. Hey. Just a minute, I'm a driver Saturday and come in pull over. Maybe by now, because Obi okutetu oye pull over. Ne car no so ye bigger, yes, you to smaller can. Who pull over no kuana ending. And all this.